All right, so this is my new best friend, and I probably really need to give her a name. This is the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete, and I know I absolutely cannot be the only one that has long hair plus pets. I do have a Yorkie dog, and sometimes you'll just be sitting there and you see a ball of hair just in the corner tumbleweeding. Why that happens, I don't have a clue. I mop, I sweep my floors, I vacuum my floors, and they always seem to be dirty. But this thing, let me show you the dirty water after just 1 week of using it come out of the dirty water thing. It was just, I didn't know there was that much stuff on my floors that it could get up. It has just been deep cleaning my floors and keeping them up way better than I expected. Now, one of the main reasons I went with this one is because I actually have very thick thresholds and room transitions in my house, and I was worried about it getting stuck and not being able to motivate from room to room. And I don't want to have to babysit a robot vac. The reason you buy one of these things is so that you don't have to manually babysit it. And so I was pleasantly surprised. This one itself actually has little arms on the roller wheels. It can raise itself up, the little chassis up, and go over those thresholds completely easy, so it can navigate room to room in my house. There are 2 ways you can operate this thing. You can press the buttons on the top of it. There is a power button. You can press it and make it start cleaning. And there's a home button where you can tell it to go home and redock itself in this thing. Or you can use the smart app as well. But real quickly, just the front of this pretty little gold plate actually comes off, and in here is your dust bag. This does self-empty after it goes and vacuums your floors. It self-empties into the dust bag, and of course this is going to be your mop solution tank. It does have 2 tanks, A and B. You can put regular mop solution in it, and if you're someone like me who has pets, you can put a pet solution in the other one, and you just refill this with your solution and slide it in. Now, this complete set did come with a whole bottle of regular mop solution, extra dust bags, extra mop pads, and all the things you need to keep this to keep all the maintenance up on this for at least a year, if not more, a very long time. Now, as far as suction power on this thing and the vacuum itself, I'm going to insert a clip of it getting up a lot of my hair around my vanity. It just sucked it right up, and it does have an anti-tangle on the back, and the hair did not get tangled or anything. I was highly impressed with that. Let's see how it handles this hair in the next few strokes here. Oh, it just got that one. Oh, look at that. It picked up literally almost all of that hair. Alright, so after it got done cleaning all the hair, we're just looking at these anti-tangle rollers. It does have a little bit of hair over on the very corner, but the rollers are pretty clean. Now, as far as inside the MOVA app goes, I'll just pop this on the screen here. There's so many different things. I have a 2-story house, and I am loving this for the multi-floor mapping. Now, there are so many different settings on here, and like I said, you can push the buttons on this dock itself. You can say, hey, MOVA, start cleaning. It is voice activated. I don't want to set it off while I'm sitting here. It also, you can just press the start button here and start cleaning from the app itself at any time. Now, when you enter here, you click the enter button. The mapping of your house itself, I have my main floor where the dock is located mapped first. And I have this set on a schedule. So you see schedule cleaning paused at the moment. If you click the little dots in the corner, you can go to your cleaning history and see everything it cleaned. Or you can even go to scheduled cleanup and you can set a time. So I have mine. I am upstairs in the bedrooms by 10 o'clock at night. So I have mine set to clean downstairs every night while I'm in bed, sweeping and mopping. But if you want to switch maps, you can go to this edit map and see I have my downstairs as my main map, but if you go to multi-floor map management, you can see I've also mapped my upstairs, and I can click on it and apply and confirm, and you can switch the map to manage the different maps. But what I like about it is that once you have, if you have multiple floors in your house like I do, once you have mapped the downstairs floor and then the upstairs floor or whatever, you do not have to manually come in the app and switch floors. If I just take this thing out of its base, I carry it upstairs and I just sit it down somewhere upstairs, and I can hit the button on top that says clean, or I can just hit start global cleaning from the app. When I do that, it will say like positioning, and it will bring the LiDAR, raise it up, and it will actually figure out from the map what floor it's on and start cleaning based on your settings, based on the floor. So it auto recognizes what floor it's on. It also does very well at going under furniture, specifically my beds in the bedrooms. It can go under there, navigate around things. It doesn't bump into the furniture. It has a great recognition of things that it should stay away from. Great suction power. It has, again, cleaned. I didn't even know my floors looked clean to me. I didn't even know they were that dirty, but the mop water that I have been pouring out of this thing. And talk about time saving, because it automatically comes on when I'm in bed every night and cleans and mops and everything for me, and then comes to the base and then empties itself. I literally don't have to do anything. I wake up to just clean floors. It is helping me. I am such a busy person that it's really hard to find time to clean. So anytime I can cut off the things that I manually have to do is fabulous for me. So I am so glad I picked this up. I highly recommend.